Namaste Gemini. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having an amazing day today. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. Means a lot to me. Thank you so very much. So in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay, so today I'm going to do the 2022 prediction video for the sign of Gemini for Sun, Moon and Rising. So let's see how your 2022 will be, what will be the main energies for you guys for Gemini. Okay, so yeah, so remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. Okay, so let's see what your messages for 2022, how your overall energy for 2022 will be. Okay, I feel like maybe for some of you now, you will be having like this astral body projections, like at dream time. I'm getting like that energy. Maybe you will be doing that lucid dreaming. Maybe your dreams will be very vivid, or maybe if you're planning to, like if you're working on that, like maybe you're reading books regarding how to lucid dream and all, I feel like this year you will be able to do that. Or if you already do, I feel like your dreams are going to be very vivid. And yes, like I'm getting like astral body projection for some of you. That's like, yeah, you will be getting a lot of messages during dream times. Maybe you will be able to manifest during dream time. So dream time looks very important for you guys. Yeah, I feel like that. Like, okay, for some of you, I even feel like if you have problems sleeping, okay, so that's a different message. For some of you, it's like if you have problems sleeping, you'll be able to sleep properly this year 2022. Your sleep patterns are going to be good. Okay, so that's something I'm getting here. But definitely with what is, you know, maybe you're working on it, maybe you want to lucid dream, or you're studying about it. So I feel like if you are doing, if you want to lucid dream, I feel like you will be successful this year. Okay, so let's see what is the message for Gemini, Sun, Moon and Rising. Oh, you got two cards and I'm gonna take it anyways. So we have Lost in Space, Needing Direction, and Horseman, Herald of Change. Oh, okay. So it's like you don't have to prepare. Like 2022 is a year where you don't have to prepare for next 3 months, next 6 months. All you need to do is to be in the present moment, to prepare for the next 24 hours, and just go with the flow. Okay, so there is a lot of changes that is coming your way, a lot of good news is coming your way. I'm getting that energy as well. So you don't have to like focus what will happen next 3 months, next 3 months how my future will be. So it's like for you guys in 2022, be in the present moment, enjoy the present moment, don't think too much about, or don't worry too much about your future. Just go with the flow, because there is a lot of good news that will come. Okay, with this Herald of Change, that's a very positive card to get. Okay, and I'm getting like she's feeling like she's victorious. That's the energy I'm getting. So if you have been like working on this lucid dreaming, or yeah, if you want to lucid dream or something like that, if you have been learning, or if you have been practicing, if you are working towards it, definitely you will be successful this year. If you haven't been successful, so that's there. And here there is a message from Spirit for you guys. There is so much negativity, or that people are sharing. So you be the positive person who is sharing that positive news. Like give that positivity out, give that positive news. Like maybe in 2022, smile to a stranger, that like, yeah, like spread that positivity. There is so much negativity anyway, so you be that person who shares that positive news, who gives that positivity to other people. Okay, give that hope to other people. And yeah, for some of you, it's like you are going to give that hope, that positivity to the people who are lost, right? So that is also can be the things, right? Your messages in some way are going to touch other people, the people who are yeah, that's what I'm getting for you guys. Like the people who are lost, where they cannot see their future, or the people who are feeling hopeless. Maybe you will be the one who can give them that that wisdom, that positivity so they can move forward with their life, right? So that's something I'm getting here. So yeah, that's a message. So don't keep your wisdom to yourself, share it. Share your wisdom through your writing, through whatever you do. Share that. Maybe you are in a corporate field, maybe just if someone is needing the direction, just spread that positivity to them. It will make a big change, okay? And yeah, that's what I'm getting. Give that hope, don't keep it to yourself, smile more. Okay, so this here is I'm getting like you're going to impact a lot of people in some way, okay, through your words, through your inspiration, through your doings. That's something I'm getting, like maybe you'll be helping people in some way and it is going to uplift them. So you are going to uplift people in some way in 2022. Yeah, so yeah, you are going to be the person who is going to bring that light into their life. Okay, so that's amazing, isn't it? Maybe in your family also, you're the one who is going to bring that light, bring that change, like put smiles on the faces, right? Maybe you are the one who is giving them good news, and because of it, they're smiling, they're happy. So that's something I'm getting here. So, yeah, for some of you, I'm getting like maybe you're counselors, therapists, and you are helping people who are feeling lost, who don't know where to go, or maybe you're spiritual healers where you're guiding people. So whatever you do, it doesn't matter, you know, in any whatever field you can be, but you are the one who is making that change in 2022. So believe in yourself, believe in your messages, believe in your own wisdom, and share that. So you're very good communicators, like you're going to communicate a lot of things. So don't keep it to yourself. That's the message I'm hearing. So don't keep your messages to yourself, share it, share it. Yeah, sometimes it might be daring to share that messages, sometimes it's daring to say something to a stranger, but you can do it, right? Okay, so that's something I'm getting here for you guys. And with this horse also, I feel like you're feeling free. You're feeling, it's not freedom actually, I'm getting like you're already free. Sometimes we don't feel free from inside. I feel like you're going to feel free from inside, and that is the energy that you're oozing out. And the people who are it's like you're working with people who are putting themselves in a cage, like yeah, maybe for some of you, you are working with people who have mental issues and all, like bipolar, or yeah, the people who cannot make decisions for themselves, you're helping them. Yeah, that's something I'm strongly seeing. So you're making a change, you're impacting people in some way, okay, and that's beautiful. Let's see, for Gemini people, Sun, Moon and Rising, what is the message for 2022? For 2020, oh, you're getting extra cards again, 2 cards. Reflection and heart desires. So yes, it's like, you know, with this lost in space, needing direction, maybe for some of you, you are reflecting on your past, you're seeing what mistakes you made and you are not repeating that, and you're seeing your own behavior, how it's reflecting on other people, what you need to change. That's something I'm feeling for some of you. You're doing that reflection, but more what I'm seeing is like you're helping people, you're helping other people to see like you are helping with that reflection. You are telling them to go within and see what mistakes they are doing, what is the thing that they want to have in their life, you know, something like that. You're doing like shadow work. In a way, you are helping people to do their shadow work, to get inside of them and to heal. So it's like work of a therapist or a counselor. You're getting into the past, you're telling people to reflect on the things that they have done, what is the thing that is bothering them, what is the roadblock to their success, what is the thing that is not making them move forward. Like you're helping them to heal. That is something I'm getting. Yeah, it's, I don't know, for you guys it's like more your work. You will be focusing on your work. You will be helping other people to reflect on the things that they haven't, like you are raising the consciousness in a way. I'm getting like that, uplifting the humanity in a way, helping people, right, spreading the good news, helping people to come out of their own illusion, right? Sometimes people are in their own illusion, they don't see the truth. So you are making them see the truth truth, right? By guiding them, by being like in a very good way, very unique way. That's something I'm getting here, okay? And helping people to achieve their heart desires. That's something I'm getting here. So you are someone who is helping people to achieve their success. And I'm sure that is what your heart desire is. You want others to grow, others to have that success, and when you are doing that, of course you are going to get your heart desires, right? So it's like this year is a wish coming true for you guys. Maybe this is your wish, maybe you want to help people, that is your wish. Or maybe you want to help your parents, or maybe for some people around you, you will be able to do it, like yeah, something like that. For some, I don't know why I'm not getting it for you. I'm getting like you will be helping other people with that thing. So it's like you have done all the shadow work, you have been working on yourself. Maybe you're working on, as I told you, you're progressing on your spirituality. You have done a lot of shadow work, you know things, you have this deeper level of awareness that others don't have, and now you are helping other people to get aware, like you are raising the consciousness of the people around you. So that's something I'm getting here. You're very powerful people, and you are helping them to achieve their heart desire. And yes, things are changing for them because of you, right? And they will be like, wow, because of you I could have that. You know, you are someone, like maybe you will give an advice to a stranger and their life will change. Maybe you'll smile and they will have a very good day. Like that is what I feel for you guys. Okay, so in some ways, shape or form, you are going to uplift people. That's the message I'm getting. And because, you know, maybe for some of you, you are in a friend group, and sometimes the things you say to a friend will make them think, and they will reflect on their own behavior. So that can also be the thing, right? And they will reflect on it, and when we reflect on things, we change. We feel like, yes, this is the thing that I'm doing wrong in my life. So you are making people conscious about it, and because of it, they will understand what is blocking their success, what is coming in between their heart desires. Like you are helping people to heal their heart, get in touch with their heart. And when our heart center is balanced, we receive blessings. Like, yeah, so you are giving hope to a lot of people. You're making them believe that they can achieve their heart desires, because you have achieved a lot. So you will be the example for them, like in a way I'm getting. Wow. So yeah, this year looks like you are going to make a change in other people's life, right? That's something I'm getting here. So let's ask tarot, what's this all about. Let's see, for Gemini, Sun, Moon and Rising. Maybe it can be your family members, right? Maybe you're the one who will give the gifts that they want to. In 2022, you will be able to purchase the gifts that they are wanting to have. Maybe that's the thing, right? So, yeah. And I feel like with this heart desires, you know, you are going to get your wish fulfilled. If you have a wish, you've been manifesting a wish, something that you want is coming for sure. It can be a person also. Something that you have been wishing is coming true in 2022. Yeah. Look, we have the sun. Yeah, definitely. A lot of clarity also. You will be very, very clear on what you want, how you want. Very clear. You're not going to be in doubt. You're not doubtful about your path, I feel like. Let's see. Wow, look, Three of Cups. Again, community, like helping people, helping your friends, helping a community, uplifting people, being happy with them, celebration, right? So whenever you are with them, they are happy because you uplift them, you give that positivity. So that's something I'm getting here for you guys, Gemini. Look, Queen of Cups. Yes, you are the motherly energy, the compassionate, kind person. Ten of Wands. Yes, look, with this Ten of Wands, the people who are feeling very exhausted, they are like, what I am doing in my life, why things are not changing, why I have to take all the weight of the world. So you are you are telling them to look into their heart. uh, yeah, this is all about you are helping other people. That's what I'm getting for Gemini. Maybe it can be you. Yeah, you are ending a chapter with this Ten of Wands, your exhaustion, and then you are with this Queen of Cups energy, you are getting into your heart space, you're doing things from your heart, becoming more kind, becoming more compassionate, having a good time with your family, with your friends. That's something I'm getting. Like, this is a year where you will be reuniting with your friends, talking with your friends, spreading that positivity with your friends. And with this Queen of Cups, but main message that I'm getting is like, you are helping other people to see their own truth, to get out from their own illusion, and because of it you will be admired by other people. Yes, you will be admired, you will be loved by other people. People will look up to you for guidance. Yeah, that's what I'm getting here, Gemini. Yeah, with this Queen of Cups, you're the psychic, you're the mothers, you're the compassionate people who have the guidance to give to other people. You speak from your heart, your intuition is so strong, and you give very good advice to other people. Whenever people are feeling like lost, they will come up to you and you will have the guidance, perfect guidance for them. When they are struggling, they will come up to you. So your friend groups will be so lucky to have you. They will be like, wow, you are our angel. Like, whenever we have problem, I come to you and everything is solved. You're such an angel. Like, that kind of energy I'm getting. You're going to uplift your friends, you're going to uplift your family members, and I feel like you will be very proud of yourself this year, because you're making a change. Maybe this is your dream. So I feel like a dream come true for you guys in 2022. Maybe this is your dream. You want to heal your family members, you want to heal your friends, you want to uplift that humanity, you want to share that secrets. Maybe you're very successful. I feel like you're very successful, or you're getting there. You're getting there. You know how to achieve that success. Now what you're going to do is to help other people to achieve their own success, right? Maybe you have sisters. Maybe you have sisters and you will be helping them to grow, to achieve their success, right? And I even feel like that in your family there might be a celebration happening in 2022. Maybe someone will get married, or maybe someone will be pregnant, or it's your own marriage. That is also quite possible here. But definitely this is a year where you are uplifting people. Your guidance is valued. You're going to be recognized for your work. That's something I'm getting here. Okay, you're the change. You're the change maker. You're going to change other people's life. You're going to impact people, and help them to achieve their goals, their desires. And and that's your heart desires. For some of you, that is what you want to do. You want to uplift your family. You want to see your family members smile. You want to see your children smile. You want to see your friends smile, right? Maybe that is your goal, right? And that's what you're having it. Like, yeah, a lot of spiritual development here. Yeah, wow, that's quite different message for Gemini, right? So let's see. Yeah, storm. You're going to overcome anything because you are so strong, people, right? And I feel like you're going to help people who are feeling at their lowest, where they feel like they cannot get up, and you will help them and make them move forward. So that's what I'm getting here. Really, you guys have done a lot of work. You maybe the past year you were learning about it. You were, yeah. And I feel like you have done a lot of reflection in your life. You know what you're doing wrong. Your consciousness is so big. You understand things. So even if you're in your lowest, you will get back up. Okay, no, you're not going to give up. That's what I'm getting with the storm card. So yeah, you will stand strong and move forward. Okay. And I feel like the people will be like, wow, how strong you are, right? That kind of energy also I'm getting. No storm can stop you. You will just move forward. Yeah, that's something I'm getting here for you guys. Oh my god, such a strong like strong people you are, courageous people you are. Let's see what else for you guys. Yeah, I feel like you will be recognized for your work, and I even feel like maybe if you have a desire to achieve a position in the work field you want, maybe you want a higher position or something like that's going to happen. Okay, that's going to happen for you guys. Thief. Okay. You need to be in 2022. Maybe a lot of people will be wanting your attention, so there is a chance that some people might steal your time, like maybe waste your time. So be very aware of it, who you are giving your energy, time. Okay, so that's something I'm getting here. So there might be people who will just waste your time. They will be like, yeah, so sometimes there are people who waste our time, who take our energy and they give us nothing. So don't allow that. Okay, so with this thief card, that's what I'm getting. Like, we have the time, so someone is like using your time and not giving you anything in return. It's just a waste of time. So be so I feel like be aware of it. It's just advice from spirit. Okay, so let's see. Because I feel like you will be helping a lot of people, so there might be people who will take advantage of that. So yeah, trust your intuition in that. Okay, so don't give your energy to the people who are just giving you nothing back, right? So there might be people who will do that. Okay, and while you're traveling, keep your valuables all safe. Okay, if you're traveling and all, maybe there is a chance someone will steal it. So yeah, that's something I'm getting here. Wow, we have very soon. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. So yeah, things, you're going to manifest things very easily and very quickly, because your energy is very, very high. Your vibration is very high. I can see that, because you're helping people, you're uplifting humanity, you're giving guidance. It's some, sometimes we feel how I'm uplifting humanity, maybe through the words you say to your friends, the guidance you give to your children. That is what is that. Okay, it can be such like that also. It shouldn't be like you have to speak in front of people. No, right? But you have made the change in your life. You're very grounded. I feel like you're very, very grounded. Your vibration is very high. Okay, your attitude towards life is changing. Okay, and so I feel like very soon with this heart desires, so whatever you want, your wish is coming true, that's for sure. Whatever wish you have, it's coming true in 2022, and it's happening. I feel like it will happen with, in the starting months of 2022. Yeah, that's something that you want. So decide on it, because it is going to come. So whatever your heart desires, just say it now and just pray, you will get it. Okay, yes, that's what I'm getting. If it's a person, if it's a relationship that want, that will happen. If you want to move forward in your career, yes, that's the thing. If you want a friend, yes. So be clear and decide and give it to the universe, because that's going to happen in 2022. So your wish is definitely coming true. Oh, we have the soulmate. Oh, wow. And love yourself first. Yes. So definitely for some of you, there is a person is coming. So maybe if you're single, definitely this is a message for you guys. And look, we're at the back of the deck. We have honeymoon as well. So yeah, good time with this person. Maybe for some of you, if you're in a committed relationship, if you're not looking for a person, I feel like it can be a friendship that is going to be very strong, very good friendship you're making, because we have 3 of Cups also. Or it is a community that you form, where maybe you're meeting your soul tribe. That is what you want. Okay, so that's happening. So very soon your heart desires is coming true. And if it's a soulmate, like if you are manifesting a soulmate, a relationship, definitely that's going to happen. So your wish is definitely, maybe for some of you, this is your wish, this is what you want, and definitely that's going to happen. And I feel like this person, is a very well balanced person with the soulmate energy. They love themselves, they take care of themselves. So it is going to be very equal. Like they will respect you. Yeah, they will respect for you, who you are, because their cup is full. Yeah, when our cup is full, we give that respect, we give that kindness, and your cup is also full, so it is going to be such a balanced relationship. A friendship wise also, I see a very good relationship happening. Maybe you always dreamt of a good friend, who can, who can give you that love and support that you deserve. Maybe you didn't get, maybe you are the givers, you give and give and give, you don't receive it, but finally you're receiving that love. So that's something I'm getting, and this is happening very, very quick. So I feel like starting months of 2022 you might meet this person and things will move forward. Okay, and definitely loving yourself is a priority for you guys. Self love is necessary, because there might be chance where people might take you for granted. Okay, they will be like, yes, you have to help me, you have to help me. Maybe they will not like, they will step into your boundaries. So set boundaries. Okay, so yeah, there are people around you who might take your energy away from you, they might waste your time, so don't give in to them. So whenever you have to take a stand, take a stand for yourself, and it's okay to say no. It's okay to say no. You don't have to say yes to everyone. You cannot do that. You are a person, you need to recharge, right? So if you cannot work, there might be demanding people. I'm getting, maybe in your work also there might be demanding people who will be wasting your time. So if you want to say no, go and say no. Okay, so that's something I'm getting. Oh, so yes, this is a soulmate. Very soon, very soon. Maybe you have already met this person and you're like, oh, is this my soulmate? Yes, this is your soulmate. Wow, that's awesome. So let's see, what is the, okay, so let's see, what is the message for Gemini for the year 2022. Opportunities, yes, a lot of opportunities. I feel like because of your work, you might you might be socializing with a lot of people, you might be working with a lot of people, and through those people you might be getting a lot of opportunities. In love also, I feel you're getting an opportunity with a soulmate. Definitely good friends, like soul tribe, meeting your soul tribe, and through your soul tribe you might get a lot of growth in your career as well. So there are a lot of opportunities that are coming your way. So self love should be a priority. I feel like there might be people around you, that is the thing, there might be people around you who will want you to do this, who will take a lot from you. They feel like that you have to work for them. Like, maybe there are people who might waste your time, so be cautious about it. Okay, that is the only thing I feel like. And yeah, you're very aware people, and I love that. So let's see the affirmation for you guys for the year. You're a very wise soul. I'm getting for some of you are an old soul as well. You have a lot of wisdom. Even if you're young, you have a lot of wisdom. I feel like in the past, people didn't care your wisdom, they didn't listen to you, but that's not the case for 2022. People are going to listen to you. That's what I feel like, so strongly, because you are changing your life. You're getting you are climbing the ladder of success. You are moving forward, and people are seeing that, and they're like, yes, this person is doing that, so they're listening to you. That's what I'm getting here. Maybe in your family also, if your family didn't listen to you, but now they will see your success and they'll be like, yeah, this person has potential, and they're realizing it now. Yeah, you're getting that validation as well. Oh, you got two affirmations. Look, I turn every experience into an opportunity. Wow, look at that. Yes, you do that. You meet people and you help them. Like, yeah, so it's like you're going to an event, you meet people, you make a change in their life, and they give you an opportunity that is good for you as well. So you are helping people as well as you are getting good opportunities. Like, that's something I'm feeling it very strongly. Okay, so I turn every experience into an opportunity. Yes, and I feel like you're learning a lot of things from other people. Maybe you look at people behavior and you're understanding a lot of things. So it's like that also, like through talking to other people, you're getting a lot of knowledge about behavior, how each person behaves at different circumstances. Maybe you're into that behavioral things and all, psychology and all. So yes, you're learning a lot this year. A lot of learning is going to happen. So each problem has a solution. All experiences are opportunities for me to learn and grow. I am safe. This is your affirmation. If you want to write it down, if you want to take a screenshot, you can take it if you want it. Okay. Then we have, I am worth loving. Yes, I'm getting the soulmate energy again. So maybe there is someone who is coming into your life who is like giving you the love that you deserve. Finally people have taken advantage of you because you say yes to everything, and now you're not doing that, and so you're meeting the people who deserve your love, and you deserve their love. So that's the energy I'm getting, balanced energy in love. And so use these affirmations for you guys. I'm worth loving. I do not have to earn love. I'm lovable because I exist. Wow, that's so beautiful, isn't it? Others reflect the love I have for myself. Again, the reflection. Yeah, what you think is what is going to be reflected. So if you love yourself, if you take care of yourself, yes, you will get that from others as well. So yeah, that's the thing. So I feel like you're going to be loved by a lot of people this year because your work is going to touch people's heart. That's what I'm getting here. So yeah, Gemini, that's all for the 2022 message for you guys. I hope you like the reading. If you like, give it a like, subscribe, comment or share. I will see you soon. Bye bye.